Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher, and today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a Christmas tree. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Now, let's get on to drawing the very fun and very easy Christmas tree. This tutorial will show you how to draw a Christmas tree in a more unusual setting, outside and sitting in some snow. It's fun to scatter some gifts around and add some snow-capped mountains in the back too. Let me show you how easy it is to draw. First, you need to collect your art supplies, a sheet of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and some crayons. You can also download this free How to Draw a Christmas Tree tutorial from my website. Before you begin drawing, it helps to make some guidelines on your paper. By folding and creasing your paper in half in both directions, you'll have guidelines that match my tutorial, which really help as you draw each step. Step number 1. Start by drawing the star in the center near the top of the paper. Add a kind of triangle section below with a stretched out zigzag line at the bottom. Add another section below the first that is a little bit larger. Step number 2. Add a third section below the second one, and a fourth section. Start the fifth section, but only with the sides. Draw a puffy line below it to make it look like it's sitting in the snow. Step number 3. Next comes the curved decoration line that goes on each layer. Step number 4. Now you can add circles for the decorations. You only need about 2 or 3 in each layer. Step number 5. A horizon line in the background comes next. Step number 6. To add a little depth to my drawing, I'm adding a smaller tree on the right. I'm doing the same to the left side. Be sure to erase any lines inside when you are done. Step number 7. Okay, it's time for some mountains in the background. A wavy line near the top will show that they are snow-capped. Step number 8. Now you can add some fun presents in the foreground that are also in the snow. A candy cane or two is fun to add also. Step number 9. Okay, it's time to trace everything with a black marker. Try to work slowly so you can stay on the pencil lines. And now is a good time to erase any extra pencil lines that you might still see. And now it's time to color. I'm going to start with my green tree. Be sure to press hard so you can make the color really solid. Next comes a yellow star and about 5 or so yellow circles. A few red circles add some Christmas color too. And I'll fill in the rest with purple. Oh, don't forget the background trees need to be colored green too. And now it's time to fill in the mountains, which I'm going to make a pretty purple. Now you can add a little color to those presents and candy cane. And here's a tip for making soft-looking snowflakes. Start to draw lots of circles with your sky blue crayon. Fill in the left side too. I recommend making the circles about the size of a pea so they don't fill in. Then all you have to do is color in around all of those white circles. It takes a little bit of extra time, but you have a really pretty snowy sky when you're finished. And this Christmas tree drawing is done. I love how soft the snowflakes look when you don't have a pencil or marker line around the edges. It makes such a big difference. Say, I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial, and I really appreciate your wanting to learn more about drawing. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw an elf and how to draw a nutcracker. I do hope you have a chance to try them out too.